today I am starting my video very differently. जैसे कि आप लोग थंबनेल देख के समझ ही गए होंगे, आज मेरी वीडियो है Home Remedies to make your nails stronger and healthy. If you want to know why my nails grow stronger and healthy, so watch my video till the end, because in this video I will tell you amazing tips. By using these things you can make your nails stronger and longer. And tell me in comment box section that whether these tricks work for you or not. And I bet you that all these tips will work for you and helpful for you. So watch the video till the end. Well, let's start the video. Take an egg shell. Calcium in eggshells can promote nail growth. Crush a few eggshells till it turns into a fine powder. Mix it with clear nail polish and apply. Or you can mix it with water and apply on your nails. All these remedies you can do twice or thrice a week with lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin E that helps makes nail grow faster. It also helps in removing yellow nail stains. Now first method को किस तरह से करना है? Mix some lemon juice with 3 spoons of olive oil, heat it and apply on clean nails for 10 minutes. How often you can do it? You can do it every day. An alternative method would be to rub a slice of lemon on your nails for about 5 minutes before washing them off with warm water. Olive oil. In order to ensure that your nails are healthy and growing stronger, it helps to keep them nourished and moisturized. It contains vitamin E, que improve करता है blood circulation और nail growth. इसको किस तरह से करना है? इसको हीट करें ऑयल को. Heat up some oil in microwave. Massage in circular motion 5 minutes. Wear gloves and leave it for overnight. Alternatively, you can soak your nails in oil for 15 minutes. जो है ये वैसलीन है और पेट्रोलियम. Vaseline can protect against moisture loss, help prevent dryness, plus at the same time heals cracked skin. इसको किस तरह से मेथड को करना है? Apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly on clean nails and or leave it about 5 minutes. Wear gloves and leave it for overnight. Alternatively, you can leave it for 10 minutes before washing it out. जो है वो apple cider vinegar है. This ingredient has antifungal properties that help get rid of any antifungal infection. You can apply it with cotton swab like this. Mix it with equal amounts of water and soak your hands in it for about 10 minutes. Do olive oil remedy or Vaseline remedy daily before going to sleep. Now take coconut oil. Coconut oil contains nutrients that provide nourishment for the nails and skin around the nails. ये help करता है fungal infection को treat करने में भी. How to do it? How to perform this method? Warm up some coconut oil in a bowl and massage it into your nails and fingers. Now next is orange juice. As you all know, summers हैं तो summer में orange तो होता नहीं है, तो that's why I'm using pictures. Orange helps collagen production that plays a huge role in promoting nail health. The vitamin C keep your nails strong and healthy. इसको किस तरह से करना है? Squeeze out the juice from an orange into a bowl. Soak your nails in it for 10 minutes and wash. Don't forget to moisturize them properly. How often you can do it? You can do it once a day.